Hello, my name is Trina Ganguly, and the date today is August 3rd, 2022. My future career goals are to get either an MD PhD or a DO PhD and medically practice in neuropsychiatry while also doing research in neuroscience. I plan to primarily work for the military. However, I would also like to work in geriatric medicine. Um, I have a passion for studying dementia and the various branching disorders of dementia, um, and specifically Alzheimer's because I've had some research experience with Alzheimer's. And so I am taking this class because although it is not a prerequisite for many medical schools, some medical schools do require it, and so I want to be ready for that if I need it. Also, this course will help me in my own knowledge enrichment and help in understanding how the human body works and how different structures and parts of the body are connected, and basically understanding what each of the functions are for the different parts of the body, whether it be the organs or a specific section, and kind of putting all of those things together and seeing how the whole body comes together as um, one entity. And so taking this course may also help me in giving me a better understanding of what I am learning in medical school, understanding the curriculum a little bit better, and it will assist me in making connections between the concepts that I will be learning and also their anatomical applications. And so, as a person who has a passion for the brain, for this class, although this is my first anatomy class ever, and I'm very interested in learning what I will be learning because I don't really know what consists in anatomy besides learning about the different parts of the body. I'm interested in learning if any injury or any disorder within the brain can have an effect on the rest of the body and how that connection works. I'm also interested in learning how the spine and the brain work together. I understand that the brain stem is connected to the spine. However, I would like to know how that kind of connects the rest of the body together and how it all comes together like a puzzle.